Do away with face-to-face temperature checks with regular thermometers. Introducing the new Professional Thermal Imager. Our thermal imaging system is our solution to a safe workplace at a very reasonable cost, with a payback period of 1 to 4 weeks. It features a USB-C port, as well as a micro SD card port for image storage. It sports a 1/4 inch tripod mounting hole that fits standard tripods. To install, just screw the tripod base into the bottom of the imager. Mounting is just as simple as placing and locking the tripod base, allowing full directional control. The standard setup faces the imager at the entrance and displays the readings on a connected screen. It can read up to 3 feet away and doesn't require monitoring or an operator. This system is ideal for locations such as manufacturing plants and distribution centers, hospitals, libraries, rec centers, and all other locations that has visitors or employees. When setting up the device, the default language is Chinese. To change to English, scroll to the settings menu and select the first option, then select English. While here, be sure to set your temperature unit to Fahrenheit. Lastly, set your high-low alert threshold. This is where you choose the temperature that will set off your alarm. The imager supports 3 camera modes: thermal, digital, and fusion, your preference. The imager can be purchased in 3 different packages. The first package will include just the imager along with a USB-C cable. The second package includes a 58-inch adjustable tripod along with the imager. The third package will feature the full solution, including a pre-configured Pocket PC, a 24-inch monitor, along with the tripod and imager. Now everyone can keep their safe distance. Come check out each of the packages at www.wraptite.com.